about them though. Here I am, red, dressing all red, Taliban man, don't give a damn about what you said. Fuck them bitches and them niggas. I'm all about my Skrilla. And please don't make me kill you, cause boy, I am a gorilla. All over you, I'm swinging straight in them vines. Damn, Tarzan that lost his mind and went and grabbed a knife.
Hey.
He said, I really don't care, but niggas went in there, cause you know I'm never scared. They coming down the February all lovey-dovey. But I'm not with all that, cause you know I'm straight thuggy. I had to take the mask off, but niggas wanna talk. I come through with that 45 coughing what I talk. So nigga, what you wanna do? Boy, you better chill out. Tucker CG in the hat degree, you better chill out. We ain't worried about that. Like your teeth you down your throat. Watch you choke, pussy nigga, what it is, you smoking dope.
I tell the niggas calm down. Before I had to vomit, my niggas cause problems. They can't fucking stop us. We coming like comets. You better call the doctors. We all got dreads, hands. Some of us got choppers like rosters. Goddamn, who on your roster? Man, whoever got a problem, we'll solve them in an instant. My niggas, we straight hitting it. Y'all niggas got goddamn, call your fucking hits me. Come to Tucker CG, you getting it. Tucker CG, who with it, bitch? And who saying shit? I swear I'm a silly kid, like a rabbit at the hats, but it ain't no fucking tricks this. You can't fucking trick this. Hope no trick this. Fucking call Kurt up, nigga.
Hey, see, catch me, and I'm smiling all the time. See, I'm laughing at these clowns because I'm proud about mine. See, I screaming like that 9, I screaming like that iron. Tuck the CG bound, and I'm planting it on my chest. And if a nigga got a problem, better catch him with his vest. If he don't, then he dead, because I'm leaving his ass there. See, rest in peace, rest in piss. R.I.P. whatever you like, bitch, cause I'm a true Tucker CG killer, represent a hard nigga. Fuck what you screaming, cause I'm about real things. Brat that, what you think about that? That's the sound of my gag when I let back. Hold up, you don't know what I'm saying. Crack, 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 that's what I'm screaming out, kid. Scream up, scream out. F.A.M. Taliban, scream it out, proud cause I'm true about this shit. See the 2700 block of Tucker CG, find me. Posted on the corner with that iron like you finding me. Nigga, what? What?
Y'all niggas heard that, nigga. This your boy Biggs. That was my nigga Smalls who came after me. This my nigga Def right here. Y'all know we sick out here, man. Y'all better get with it. Y'all ain't fucking with us out here on this earth like I keep telling you, man. Fuck the city, fuck the state, fuck the planet, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's real out here. West side, nigga. I'm Biggs, the bad guy out here, nigga.
Oh yeah, they call me your boy Small, aka Chuck and Luke. You feel me? Get your motherfucking mind right. It's time for me to come through this motherfucker. And you don't want it, baby.
Holla at your boy Def, aka Lil OC. Got them loped out, poked out. What you think, nigga? Still putting them things in their mouth, cause I'm about that. Who that be? That Manny? What I do, man? You ain't gonna get on the beat? What up, nigga?
Man.
Nigga. Look at that bro. Goddamn.
Wigs, pop, nigga.
Tell that nigga, goddamn, we about that shit. We about that shit.
Nigga.
Okay, I guess they want